So for today guys, we're playing in games with my subscriber. I joined him. Look his reaction guys. Wait, we're gonna roll some powers guys. Just wait. What will I get? What will I get? Medic guys! I got medic. What will I get? I got player 120 guys. I'm pretty lucky. Now I'm gonna I'm gonna roll again pa. Medic guys. Now I'm gonna equip 120.
I want to see you beat this
Yan
game.
guys.
94 stages.
Wait lang guys.
Now,
Yan.
I'll tell you why
May
I'm
glitch
playing
daw.
something really interesting.
Para pag start
Let's
ng
look at the
game.
description. Firstly, it says
Para yan. Para may glitch daw yan guys. Tas yan. Ganyan. Nagiging to. Pero pagka-start, tignan na lang natin guys. Tignan na lang natin. Ayun na guys. Yun na. Yan na. Ano guys? Yan na. Asan kaya yung subscriber ko? Eto na guys, yung subscriber ko. Hindi pa niya ako napapansin. Ayan o. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya. Tignan mo guys. Nakipagsayaw siya sa akin. Kasi she's a subscriber. She's my first subscriber. I'm only one sub. Please make me to 50 subs. And I will add you. Comment your username in the comments. I will add you and play gag with you. I'm going to give you some pets. Okay. Are you ready? See? She said she's OMG. I'm a big fan of you. See guys?
La grande.
See?